Hi you guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning my entire apartment, a much needed deep clean. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I am Sha'Naya O'Shea. I mainly do vlogs and stuff, but today we're about to get this apartment together. It's a mess. So yeah, if you want to see me get my apartment, my studio apartment clean, keep watching. I hope that this motivates y'all to get up and clean y'all's apartment, because I know it's something that's dirty that y'all been putting off. So hopefully this motivates y'all to get up and do that, get it clean. And yeah, so I'm actually going to start in the kitchen because I feel like that's the dirtiest. And I'm gonna start with this fridge right here. The inside is a mess, so I'm going to clear it out first and then get to cleaning. So make sure you continue watching. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get this place clean. Okay? I almost forgot to show y'all what I was gonna be using today. So got some of this. I'm so mad, like, y'all, do y'all hear that? This is literally empty. This is my favorite, bro. This gets my tub so clean, but it's gone. So we don't have this, and I do not have this. This works good too, but this is my absolute favorite. But yeah, so we're gonna be using this. I got these from Dollar Tree yesterday, and I got this air freshener from Dollar Tree. Smells really good. Got some glass cleaner from Target, bleach, tub and towel foaming cleaner. Got this multi-purpose cleaner, and these right here, these three are from Dollar Tree. I used this today to clean out my tub. I cleaned my tub 2 days ago, and I just went back over it, so y'all won't be seeing me clean my tub. Definitely got to get the outside because it's dirty. All-purpose degreaser spot remover, and this is just a daily shower cleaner. And then I love this. Y'all see it's almost gone. I freaking love this surface cleaner from Public Goods. in love sometimes. But it ain't a girl. Tell me what you want and what you really want. I am moving on to my living room sleep area. Like I said, I do live in a studio apartment, so it's not that big. But yeah, so y'all are not gonna see me do anything with like my business area. That's a task for another day. Yeah. So now I'm about to clean the bottom of the door the best that I can. It's still a little dirty, but it looks better than it did before. And all that stuff right there, the shoes, the two bags, those are shoes that I'm trying to get rid of. And then the box under it needs to go in the attic. Like, I have a lot of stuff that has to go up to my attic. So I'm trying to wait for my boo to come over, and then I'm going to get him to put the stuff up there. I can't wait because I'm tired of looking at all this stuff right here. Video.